Look at this rabbit. This is so special ring. I personally love it. This is how it looks on your finger. If you are looking for something very, very unique, this is one of a kind. And these rings that I'm going to show you, only these four, are from one special Iranian designer that I'm working with. And we make everything from the scratch, from the design and the shape, the size, everything, so we can make your special custom ring. By the way, all of my rings are for sale and you can order it by commenting, DM me, or some of them are already available on my website. All right. Okay, look at this one. By the way, this rabbit ring size, oh my god, size is 8, means 57, round your finger. So I have it only one in my entire collection in here. Okay, let's see the other one. This is very big for me, but if you are a fan of Indian, this is, just look at the details. The size of this ring is actually 50, it's the same, size 8, 57 millimeter round your finger. This is how it looks. Then we have this cute skirt. This is a skirt made with silver, sterling. All of these are sterling silver. The size of this ring is also, this is 62 millimeter around your finger, which means size 10. So if you have a little bit thicker finger, that will suit your hand. It's big for me, but this is so cute. Then we have this hat with the feathers. You can see the feathers. This is an inspiration from the Indian hat. And the size for this one is the same. It's 56 round your finger, which means 7.5. Look. Which ring is your favorite one? And don't forget to check my ring collection from Greece that I shared on my YouTube before. So much love is always here. See you soon.